Water mitigation involves strategies to reduce the impact of water-related damage. Understanding the importance of immediate action can greatly influence the recovery process. It is essential to address water issues promptly to minimize destruction to property and health. The first step in water mitigation is identifying the source of water intrusion. This could be due to flooding, leaks, or even dampness from humidity. Pinpointing the problem helps in applying the right solutions effectively. Once the source is identified, the next phase is to remove excess water. This can include using pumps, vacuums, or simply towels, depending on the volume of water present. The quicker this is done, the better the outcome. Drying and dehumidifying the affected area is crucial. High-quality air movers and dehumidifiers are used to eliminate moisture from walls, floors, and air. This helps prevent mold growth and structural damage. Inspections follow water removal to assess whether any materials are unsalvageable. Carpets and drywall might need to be discarded if they are saturated and cannot be adequately dried. Cleaning and sanitizing the area is next to ensure no harmful bacteria or mold spores remain. Using appropriate cleaning solutions helps to protect health and restore the area. It is vital to monitor the area after mitigation. Regular inspections ensure that there is no returning moisture or hidden sources that could cause further problems. Staying vigilant can save future headaches. Education plays a key role in prevention. Understanding how to protect your property from water damage, such as maintaining gutters or using waterproofing techniques, can make a significant difference. Water mitigation is not just about damage control. It is about making sure similar issues do not occur in the future. Implementing preventive methods ensures long-term safety and value of your property. Lastly, seeking professional help can streamline the water mitigation process. Experts have the tools, knowledge, and experience to handle severe cases and provide peace of mind during stressful times. In conclusion, effective water mitigation is a combination of immediate action, thorough cleaning, and preventive measures. Knowing the principles behind these actions empowers homeowners to protect their investments. By understanding and practicing these water mitigation techniques, you can greatly increase resilience against water damage. Take action sooner rather than later to safeguard your home and well-being.